Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
If you cannot access your account, use official recovery methods from Discord. Open Discord settings and choose password reset to regain access. Follow the emailed reset link and set a new strong password immediately. If you cannot complete a reset, contact Discord support through the Help Center and provide requested verification. Be prepared to wait 24-48 hours for a response and to confirm ownership. Do not share login details with anyone during this process. After regaining access, secure your account by revoking sessions and apps. Go to User Settings, then Security, and revoke active sessions to sign out other devices immediately. Next, open authorized apps and remove any applications you do not recognize or no longer use. Finally, enable two-factor authentication with an authenticator app or SMS to prevent token reuse and unauthorized session creation. These steps close existing access paths and reduce the risk of future compromise. Adopt long-term practices to protect your Discord account from compromise. Use a unique, strong password and store it in a reputable password manager rather than in plain text. Never share tokens, passwords, or session data with anyone, and be wary of phishing links and unsolicited messages asking for credentials. Regularly review login history and report suspicious activity to Discord support. If you suspect a compromise, rotate credentials immediately and reauthorize only the trusted apps you need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.